It looks just like Hayden's foot light. You just need forks.
They're all coming in. People are sending me the whole everything.
You were like,
this thing can be sick when it's done.
You were like, I don't even know.
You should go swimming with her. Is it cold? Or is the pond cold? Yeah. Like really cold? Yeah. Like really, really cold? It's pretty cold. I did a double backy. A double? Yeah. I probably could do it if I went for it. Well, we're at MTF for the 3rd day in a row. And we're ripping pitters. Yeah. Little man's better outros. I'm getting too lazy for this.
I'll clean you out.
What do you say?
Said he'll clean you out.
Let's do it. Come on.
That looks way better. What?
This thing, it snapped. So now his wheel's just dangling.
The thing that holds the chain in place. So the whole tire's sideways. I think I got another one though. It like bolts. It may be still there, but there's just like a bolt.
Oh my god, bro.
The whole tire's sideways.
And your chain's like loose. Just take it off, Tristan. He found it.
And it's a bolt that just screws in.
Oh, you're good. You're good. You see that whip I threw up that thing? No. Dude, I was like this. It's so nasty.
Yo,
Bro.
that was clean.
We need to build this thing let's build this one like a steeper lip or something. Or this one. Or we could build a lip right here.
I'm gonna put a lip by that Birmingham and then we'll put one on that room.
You cased it.
Nobody's gonna hit this, bro. This thing's just sketchy. Bro, hit it. Nobody's hitting that, bro.
Oh my god, dude! See? This kid, bro! You're a goon! You just cased both of us. How would you case us? I would case both of us right now.
Do it. Go over the You're just doing the flat. You're gonna jump it to the other side.
It's not right. It's not
Angled right. Hit it and it angles you like down there. That was a frame.
under the car!
Look at my bars, look at this. Look at one side fits and one side doesn't.
We're trying to hit a jump and just fly off.
We've been lucky so far. I mean, they go up a little bit, but. We should go swimming before I leave.
Bro,
You have a pair of board shorts I can borrow?
Here?
Y'all want to go swimming?
Dude, bro, the
I'll
water's
go.
nasty.
Alright, let's go.
Water's still nasty.
Let's
right
go. It don't matter.
now? In the pond, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I'll jump off the top.
I do too. Let's go. No, come on.
Oh, the water's
Come on.
nasty.
So? It might give you freaking some disease, but who cares?
Go back a little.
It'll go away. I'll double. I'll get in here. I'll get in here.
Dude, it was so bad earlier. Bro.
Oh no.
Who's jumping in? Just me and Sam. Are you going?
I'm gonna front flip.
Go. Ready? Yeah. Jump. It isn't bad.
It's absolutely freezing.
Look how fast he's getting out.
He's lying.
It's cold.
Bro, I got in like a week ago. It's so cold.
You feel actually how cold water is?
Fill it with your foot.
Because I don't want to get in like ice cold for you. Yeah, it's not that bad to be honest. I'll do like a back 720. Oh, it's not that bad.
Yeah, it's a little too bad. But when you get out
At
there,
the wind.
It's not too bad.
Look how dirty it is. You can already see under his shoulder. Like
Yeah.
the second he goes under the water, you can't see.
Hey, how do I get up?
You gotta pull. Let's go to that end.
Dude, dude, you go under, it's just black.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
I'm the only one that opens their eyes. I don't know why.
Do you open your eyes underwater?
Yeah. Yeah, I do too. As soon as it's like, and it gets orange, like really light, really fast. You wanna do it? I'll get it up here.
Like, never open my eyes underwater, dude.
It like gets cold in some. It gets cold in some spots.
I just got back from the track, took a little nap in the car. And make sure to like, subscribe, follow, share. This video gets 10K likes. Or this video gets 100,000 likes. I'll backflip the pit bike to dirt. If it gets 100,000 likes. I'll say 60,000. Oh, anything 60,000 likes. I'll backflip the pit bike. Bro, backflipping, I've never backflipped something before. It's gonna be gnarly.
That's unexpected. About to show up my dad in the Can-Am right now. Let's go. Got my T-Rex throttle. Alright, bro, let's switch. You think you're so good at that? And I'm so good on this thing.
Oh yeah?
Let's mix
You
up.
can handle this?
You think you can handle this? Exactly.
Just try to keep it on 4 wheels, dude.
I'm more of a 2-wheel guy.
Alright. Let's see what you got. Alright, keep it on 2 wheels. Yeah, I don't feel like fixing it. So put it in drive. Put it in drive.
Alright, how do you shit? Oh,
You're gonna crash it. Look at his face. Ow, you just ran my foot over, dude.
I did?
Yeah. Ran over my hookahs, dude.
Dude, this thing's so easy.
No.
Dude, I
Alright,
ripped.
we're gonna race, alright?
Dude, I don't want to hit you.
You'll be
hit you.
so far in my dust, dude.
Dude, I ripped. Dude,
You already
you see
ran
me?
me over once. So.
What? I never knew this thing was so easy. I can reach the pedals now.
Yeah, you should get good in that. We could go do King of the Hammers and other stuff.
Aw, you're taking a lead from
No,
me.
it's easy. People can
This
you
is
can do it.
really easy. I never thought it would be this easy. Like, you slide so easy. That
Realize you're on flat ground. Let's go, we'll race you. Watch out. Alright, so I come to the conclusion, probably not super smart to be riding a dirt bike in front of him.
I don't do that. I try not to. I try going slow. I kind of ripped it. Hop in this thing with me. I want to take you a lap.
Oh, jeez. Alright, so we definitely need a faster bike, so I don't get run over by four wheels.
Let's get a big bore kit.
There you go. Alright, I'll get in, but don't crash me. Well, surprisingly, he didn't roll it over, so that's good. Seems to be having fun with it, so, I mean, we got the property, he's got the keys, so it's up to him. It would be cool to have him into it enough to bring him to King of the Hammers and other races where really you go race for fun and it's about the adventure. So I think it would be cool, man. It'd be a cool little father-son time. A little less pressure than moto for sure. You can still get hurt, but nothing like a dirt bike, you know. So anyway, yeah, well, hopefully he keeps driving it. It'd be sweet.